Hi guys, I'm Aradhana Khaitan and today I want to talk to you about the SAT. So, when you hear the word SAT, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? Oh, that's a US entrance test for undergrad. So that I don't need to watch this video because I want to do my undergrad in the US. Hold on one second. If you didn't know, the SAT is accepted by 35 plus colleges and universities in India, and that number is only increasing. Top schools like Ashoka, Shiv Nadar, Flame, VIT, Sastra, Symbiosis, and the list is long. And there are several universities which will accept this for all their programs, and some will accept it only for a select few courses. So imagine doing a BTech degree in India at one of these schools without having to appear for the JE. Wow. And imagine not having to take the 6 hour, 2 day long CUET exam and just having to take a simple 2 hour SAT. And now that it's going digital, it's become even simpler, even more engaging, and shorter. So check out our other video if you want to know more about the digital SAT. But if you think that the SAT is outside your means just because it's too expensive or the colleges are too expensive, etc., hold on. The College Board, along with a group of Indian universities, have formed this alliance, which will give you your testing fee waiver, which will allow you to send free score reports, not just to these Indian universities, but also for international universities, and give you up to 100% scholarship if you fit their criteria for both merit and means. So, guys, don't let anything hold you back. If you have a dream, go out there and chase it because the universe will open up and make sure that it happens. And the SAT is certainly something that you can take to help you pursue your undergrad dreams. Until next time.